Hello, friends of Pirate Chain, friends of Komodo platform, friends of Bitcoins, friends of crypto and price charts. It's me, E. Giuliano. It's August 13th, Friday, the 13th of August. And I want to just quickly share the screen, share the charts. Let's take a walk through the charts and see what has transpired. Yes, last night, I guess early on in the morning of the 13th here in UTC, at least for Komodo price, the price just went nicely popping up where we were looking for it. But hey, first we take a look at BTC USD on the daily price chart, still experiencing this divergence, but yeah, we're not sure when this will find its correction. It will soon, eventually, but the divergence can go on longer. We saw that back in the big move when we were experiencing divergence back here in the March times. So anyway, here we are breaking out of the Ichimoku cloud, looking to close here within this next hour above the cloud, and then maybe some sideways action for the weekend, whatever. But more likely, we need to make our way up into this region here, pop it up, and then we can find the correction, find the stability above this 47,000 level. That's what we want to see, and that is looking very possible. Alrighty. So that is that for now. Well, let's move on to the next chart. Let's take a look. This is just going to be for you friends of short videos. I'm going to power through this. We're going over the R charts. Oh, mama. Pirate Chain, it is a very strong here today. Another nice move up. There you go. So we're getting some good supports, some good bottoms here, a bottom here, a bottom here, and even here getting a nice rounded bottom here. So try to get above this level here. Let's put ourselves a nice horizontal line. Let's put it here and say that actually we'll make it a zone. We're liking our zones these days. So really this is our zone where we want to penetrate. We want to penetrate this zone and we want to hold this zone. So let's see what we can do. But yeah, things are looking good. Things are looking very good. But this is short term. Again, this is a 4-hour price chart. So I'm going to take a quick look over at the daily. There we go. So basically, yeah, that's the area we want to get to, which is reaching towards the 10,000 Satoshi level. So between 9,500 and 10,000 Satoshis, that's where we want to go. So let me just extend this for, let's go to the end of August. Although, I mean, really, I don't need to extend it. We're there. If we're not going up there anytime soon, look how many green candles in a row. So don't be surprised if maybe we have a hot weekend and then we drop off, or maybe we drop off now. If we drop off now, we really need to hold that support at the 88 level, roughly around there, okay? And then we have that next possible likely area of support around the 8,000 level, Satoshi level, okay? And that could happen. This is a BTC price chart against Pirate Chain. So that could mean Bitcoin is pushing up and the alts against BTC are turning over a bit during that time, but the Pirate Chain's been super strong. Anyway, 5 candles in a row. So we were wondering, there were 4. I was wondering, are we going to get 4? Well, here you go. We got 5, and we even did push into this zone. So this is what's, I mean, I'm glad we're getting a big body up here, but we really do want to keep pushing higher. But at the same time, I want some pullback too, so that we can continue to go even higher. But anyway, it'll sort itself out. Overall, things are looking good all the way around. That's the daily. And if we look 4-hour where we were, that's just another view for you. Okay, we're pushing on that Bollinger Band here. We couldn't hold it. Like, obviously it was a pump up, so it needed some time to cool off. made it down to around the 20-period average. So now we're back up. So maybe some consolidation a bit more, figuring out when is the next time, but the next opportunity is to push higher, especially on this 4-hour chart. Although like I said, we might go sideways first and then make the next move. The weekly charts are looking very nice overall, and we'll see that when we look at fire chain. So I'm going to just close this off here. So that's good. Things are looking good. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Make your comments. Appreciate all the comments. So there we have it. That's what happened. We were looking for this. We were expecting either a breakdown, but hoping for the breakup. We got that breakup. You see that? This is ARRRBTC on the daily price chart. We're looking good. Bearish divergence with the price, and then the indicators, MACD and RSI, but that is what it is, same as Bitcoin, right? So we're just going to hang on with that. I'm going to remove you. Goodbye. Yep, let's see. This is looking good. And I'm going to just remove this now. So there you go. We have broken through. You want to take a look at the candles, and that is the candle. Actually, it's a one-day candle. Let's just hold on to it for another day or two and see if we can confirm it. There's a good chance we will come back down to the level 425-ish level and test it for support. So let's see. All right, so that's the daily on the ARRRBTC. And as far as our USDT on the 4-hour chart, we are breaching the Bollinger Band. So either we're going to make a much further, well, not much, I mean, that's a relative term. We're going to make a continued push higher, or this is it roughly around here, and we are going to come back down and reconsolidate. Okay, there you have it. Beautiful. Looking very, very good. Awesome. Next, we just slide over to our good friend Komodo price chart against BTC. This is a weekly price chart. I'm going to, what I've just done here is put in a long trend line. So we're looking to break this out on the weekly. So I'm going to get rid of that for now. Okay, we're going to hide you. I just wanted to bring it in for future reference. Now, this is the shorter term trend line from the previous top back in April and then May. And we want to break this to the upside. It's going to take a few weeks before we get there unless we have big green candles. So I'll keep that in mind, but we will get rid of this for now as well. Maybe not. Let's just see how this plays out. Okay, on a weekly, again, we're looking like we would like some bullishness, but we could have one of these. Okay, so on the weekly MACD. But yeah, it's looking like, we could be making a case for higher moves. Same thing on the RSI. I get the sense that there is definitely room to play up in the higher zones. Yeah, so there we go. That's that on the weekly, but I really wanted to look, let's see how we look on the daily. On the daily, so yeah, we did make it. Oh yeah, this was the candle, and it's the candle for today. So this is the big downtrend line that we had just identified. So that's why I wanted to keep it, actually, to show how close we are to it. Potentially just a month or two, and we are in this zone if we go sideways. Okay, so we reached the zone we were looking for, but we couldn't hold it. Okay, so here we are at these body candles here, 2,385 Satoshi, so about the 2,400 Satoshi level. Okay, we'd like to hold that, but again, this is KMD BTC, so we could have some sideways as BTC gets stronger, but it was nice to see us crack through the uptrending green trend line. And I just want to notice that we used we used that purple as support. Boom, we moved up. Beautiful. And we were coming back down, going to break down below this same green trend line. And again, boom, pushed up. That was nice. Good fun times. Anybody who was watching it was probably enjoying themselves there. So I just wanted to show it to you on the 4-hour as well. And what I really wanted to show was this action right here, where we held it, the 20-period average as support, very strong, and made that move in the 1 4-hour candle here up to that 2,600 Satoshi level. So that's great. But yeah, sideways time right now. And hey, no harm, no foul. Things are looking good overall. We are where we would like to be. All right. Sometimes it's difficult to not get lost in the noise of the daily action, you know, like all this stuff going on. Look at all these lines, right? So I'm gonna keep this green line. We want to hold that as support. It's going to tell us what's happening, but I'm going to get rid of this red one because we have broken out in my estimation. And then the purple line we can redraw once we break the green. So that's, whoops, we'll delete you. All right, so that's KMD on the 4-hour price chart with the BTC looking good. And I wanted to show then one of the very good looking, so wow, nice moves. One of the very good, yeah, after this huge waterfall, of course. So all is relative, right? All is relative. None of this is financial advice in any way. So here we go. We did get to where we were expecting. There, you see it? Do you see it? Yeah, we boom, touched right into the Ichimoku Cloud. So friends of Ichimoku Cloud, resistances and supports, there you are. We honor you. And this is looking good. This is looking really good, really good, really good, good, sitting at about $1.13. I don't have much else to say. I'm just very pleased for everybody who's feeling good, you know. Look, with the ups also come the downs. So let's see what happens next. If you're feeling good about what's happening for you, again, not advice. I'm not saying take anything off the table or keep anything on the table. I'm just saying, you know what you're doing, what your plan is. And because this is a level we were considering, so we are at that level. All right, good. That's it for now. I don't have much else to say. I hope you're doing well. Take care of yourselves. Things are looking good and excitement is in the air. All right. Love, peace, and happiness to you all. Goodbye.